Have you ever looked at the sky for just a second longer than usual and felt uncomfortable? Like something is off, like the sky is not just empty space, but something far more complex and far less understood. Because the truth is, the atmosphere above you is not calm. It is active, it is violent, and sometimes it behaves in ways we still cannot fully explain. Above powerful thunderstorms, something strange happens. Lightning does not always go down. Sometimes it goes up. Massive red flashes and bursting into the upper atmosphere, they are called sprites. They last less than a second, but can stretch across tens of kilometers. Pilots reported them for decades, and no one believed them, because they sounded impossible. There is a rare type of lightning that appears green, not white, not blue, but green. This happens when light bends through dense rain and ice, scattering colors in unexpected ways. It is brief, unstable, and so rare that many people never see it in their entire life. Sometimes the sky makes a sound, a deep, distant boom. It echoes across large areas, but there are no clouds, no storms, no explosions. These are called skyquakes. Some scientists think they are caused by distant thunder. Others suggest meteor activity or sudden shifts in atmospheric pressure. But there is no single answer, only theories. High above you, the sky forms waves, perfect, smooth, rolling waves, as if the atmosphere itself has become an ocean. These are Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds. They form when layers of air move at different speeds. The result is something that looks almost artificial, too perfect, too structured, like a simulation, briefly revealing itself. Near the very edge of space, something even stranger appears. Clouds that glow in the dark. They shine in electric blue tones, long after sunset. These are noctilucent clouds. They exist higher than any other clouds on Earth. So high, they still catch sunlight when everything below is already in darkness. They were first noticed only after major atmospheric changes on Earth, which raises a question. Have they always been there? Or are they a sign of something changing? There is a place on Earth where lightning never seems to stop. Over Lake Maracaibo, storms form almost every night. Hundreds of lightning strikes, again and again, for hours. The sky flashes constantly. Some call it a never-ending storm, a natural phenomenon that still feels unnatural. Above your head, there are invisible rivers, massive streams of air, moving at incredible speeds. These are jet streams. They control weather patterns across entire continents. They can speed up flights or slow them down. They shift storms, they shape seasons, and yet you will never see them. Only the consequences. Sometimes, light itself becomes distorted. The sun appears to split. 2 or even 3 suns visible at once, or a perfect glowing ring surrounding it. This is caused by ice crystals floating high in the atmosphere. They bend and reflect light in precise geometric patterns. The result is something beautiful, but deeply unnatural to the human eye. There are reports of glowing spheres in the air, floating, moving slowly, sometimes entering buildings, sometimes disappearing instantly. This is ball lightning, one of the rarest and least understood phenomena in the atmosphere. There is no complete explanation, only fragments of theories, and many eyewitness accounts. And now, think back to the beginning. That feeling that something is not right, because at the highest levels of the atmosphere, above storms, above clouds, there are giant blue jets, powerful bursts of energy, shooting upward into space. They connect thunderstorms to the edge of space itself. For most of human history, we did not even know they existed. They were invisible to us, and even now, they remain difficult to study. Everything you have just heard is happening right now. Above your head, you just cannot see most of it. The sky is not empty. It is layered, dynamic, alive, and maybe we understand far less about it than we think. This is Informboom. Stay curious and subscribe.